Welcome back to another video, guys. We're on our way to Crescent Head. We just got on the ferry from Port Macquarie. We'll see you on the other side. We're just getting off the break wall now at North Shore at Port Macquarie. We were going to drive on the beach to go to Crescent Head, but the swell is 8 foot at the moment and it's high tide, so it's not a good idea. So we're just going to take the inland track to get there. We'll see you there. We just made the Crescent Head, checked the surf, it's big, got some size to it. Now we're going to go to the bakery. Got some lunch. What do you get?
Sausage roll.
What do you get?
Sausage roll.
Got a sausage roll and a hazelnut donut. They didn't have much. It's 1:10, so they sell out pretty fast. Young Cooper here, he's hiding from the camera wherever he went. He gets a bit stage fright. He's got a jam donut. We just got out of the water. We went for a quick swim after our drive. Now we've made it onto our site. The rest of my family and friends come tomorrow, but we're just going to be putting power to the fridge and setting up for the night. Now we're here for a week.
No, I said it's true. I could feel the love, can you feel it too? I could feel it all around. I could feel it all around. You know I said it's true. I could feel the love, can you feel it too? I could feel it all around. I could feel it all around. Yeah, you know I said it's true. I could feel the love, can you feel it too? I could feel it all around. I could feel it all. I can feel the love, can you feel it too? I can feel it all, I can feel it all.
Surprise, surprise, guys. Oh, I don't even have the food out. God damn it. We're going to be cooking some burgers, something different. We have it every time we go camping, but it's good. Got our beef patties, got some cheese, brioche buns, got some sauce somewhere. We're on. Got that Weber barbecue just heating up here, and you know, we're living the dream out here at Crescent Head. Whoa! Almost lost my eyebrows on that one. Love it.
No girl, I hardly know. She had hair of gold, hair as blue as water. Stopped and stared when I saw her.
How is it, girls? Good?
Tastes like a burger.
I know I can't disguise these feelings deep inside, and I go back every time, back to her ocean eyes. To go swimming in the moonlight, lovers under a starry sky. You just felt
Jaden's out the surf now. How'd you go?
Not very good. I 8 waves, but
He went pretty good.
it was a bit rough. It's a lot of paddling, heaps of people outside.
Looked a bit scary. I wouldn't go out personally. So well done.
Not my best surf, but she'll be right.
My love, my lover, 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 I'm in paradise whenever I'm with you. My mind, my mind, well, it's a
I'm a big man.
paradise whenever I'm with you.
Yeah, pretty good.
Ride on, well, I will ride on down the road, I will find you, I will hold you, I'll be there. It's long, well, it's a mighty long road, but I'll find you, I will hold you, and I'll be there. I know you heard it from those other boys, but this time it's real, it's something that I feel it. I know you heard it from those other boys, but this time it's real, it's something that I feel it. If it feels like paradise running through your bloody veins, you know it's love heading your way. If it feels like paradise running through your bloody veins, you know it's love heading your way. My time, my time, well, it's a never-ending helter-skelter. We'll be out whatever the weather.
Turn off. Turn off, please. Jane, I think the gas is on, not the fire. Yeah, we've got some free, no, after surfing breakfast going on. I'm going to cook the bacon first before the eggs, because now the bacon's not really cooked before the eggs.
What is that?
I couldn't get the bacon off, it was frozen, so it came off in pieces. Scares the hands.
She's not a good cook.
Whoa. I make a mean mac and cheese.
We forgot that the fridge was on -7. The pineapple juice is frozen. It's nice, how slushy.
Darling, don't you want this to thought I'd let you know I was feeling half a word away. Thought I'd let you know I was feeling half a word away.
We're going to go check out that head, as the surf's not that good here, and it gives us something to do while the weather's not that good. So we're going to be taking the old man's ram.
Stuck inside these four walls, I think what I'm really fighting for. Will we ever find our way back to what we were before? Every night I'm by your side, I need to know how will I find the peace of mind when it's out of control?
girl admits that we the F-R-E-S-H, we fresh, G-E-F, that's right, we definite, B-E-P, we reppin' it, so turn me up, turn me up, turn me up, come on baby, just pump it.
That's the shark alarm. Oh, just had a couple flicks. I'm running out of patience with it. There's a lot of water moving and the things pushing us around a bit. But Joy's still having a good old crack. He's using some lure. I was using hillies, but I had no luck, not even a bite. There's a million schools of mullet running through. This is Joy. Come back a little bit.
They say heart is watered down. This town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade.
Got our last night here at Crescent Head, and then tomorrow we'll be driving back on the dirt road, catching the ferry, and we're home. That's the end of the trip. So if you're this far through the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you don't mind liking, commenting, subscribing, and if you also want some merch, message us on Instagram and we'll get some out to you. Thanks for watching, guys.